Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this double wire wrapped loop. For this, I'm using 2 times 4 inches of 20 gauge wire, 2 large beads, and you can use what you've got. A bent chain nose pliers, a normal chain nose pliers, a round nose pliers, a flush cutter, and a ruler. And there's a list of all the materials used in the description box. At the 1-inch mark, you are going to bend your wire at a 90-degree angle, and then just go ahead and do the other one just to see. Then place your round nose pliers right above the bend. Then pull the end of the wire around the barrel of the pliers. Adjust your pliers as you go along. And this is what the unfinished loop looks like. Next, I'm going to insert the pliers back into the loop, then pull the wire all the way to the other side. You are going to use both chain nose pliers for this step. Use one of the pliers to grip the loop, then use the other to wrap the shorter end of the wire around the longer end. Next, you are going to place your bead onto the wrapped wire. Then you are going to bend your wire at a 90-degree angle like before, and you're going to go ahead and make a loop as you did before. The loop at the top is not centered, so I'm going to insert the pliers back into the loop and twist it to the other side to correct it. So I'm just going to go ahead and make the other loop. So this is how you would attach your wrap loops together, And if you are going to make a bracelet or a necklace, all you have to do is to follow this method until you've achieved your desired length. This is a close-up of what the finished piece looks like. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe for more content. If you are a subscriber, thanks for the support. See you soon.